The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, by Douglas Adams, is a comedic science fiction novel that was first published in 1979. The story follows the adventures of an ordinary human named Arthur Dent, who is swept off Earth just before its destruction to make way for a new hyperspace bypass. Arthur is taken on an unexpected journey through space by Ford Prefect, a friend and researcher for the titular guidebook, and encounters a variety of strange and humorous characters and situations along the way. The novel begins with Arthur Dent's mundane life being turned upside down when he learns that his house is about to be demolished to make room for a new highway. Just as he is grappling with this news, his eccentric friend Ford Prefect arrives and reveals that he is actually an alien from a small planet near Betelgeuse and that the Earth is about to be destroyed by an alien race called the Vogons to make way for a new hyperspace bypass. Ford, who is a researcher for the titular guidebook, takes Arthur with him onto the Vogon ship just before the Earth is obliterated. On the Vogon ship, Arthur and Ford are subjected to the bureaucratic and unpleasant nature of the Vogon crew. They are eventually rescued by Zaphod Beeblebrox, the two-headed, three-armed, and two-hearted ex-president of the galaxy, who has stolen the Vogon ship. Zaphod is accompanied by Trillian, the only other human survivor of Earth's destruction, and Marvin, a depressed and pessimistic robot. As the story progresses, Arthur, Ford, Zaphod, Trillian, and Marvin encounter a series of strange and comedic situations as they travel through space aboard the stolen Vogon ship, which Zaphod dubs the Heart of Gold. They encounter the eccentric two-headed president of the galaxy, visit the planet of Magrathea, which is known for manufacturing custom-made planets, and encounter the enigmatic and paranoid supercomputer Deep Thought, who reveals the answer to the ultimate question of life, the universe, and everything is 42, but fails to provide the actual question. Throughout their journey, Arthur struggles to come to terms with the destruction of Earth and his newfound status as the last surviving human, while also trying to navigate the bizarre and often absurd situations that arise. Ford, Zaphod, Trillian, and Marvin each have their own quirks and challenges to overcome, adding to the comedic nature of the story. As the plot progresses, Arthur and his companions encounter a wide range of alien species, planets, and technologies, each with their own unique characteristics and absurdities. They encounter a planet of sentient mattresses, a restaurant at the end of the universe, a planet with an unusually large frog population, and a planet where everything is always the opposite of what it seems. As the story reaches its climax, Arthur and his companions come face to face with the powerful and mysterious being known as Slartibartfarst, who reveals the true purpose of Earth and the role it played in a cosmic conspiracy involving the hyper-intelligent beings known as the Mice. Arthur ultimately finds himself at the center of a cosmic showdown that will determine the fate of the universe. Throughout the novel, Douglas Adams employs his trademark wit, wordplay, and absurd humor to create a unique and comedic narrative. The story is filled with memorable characters, outlandish situations, and clever observations about life, the universe, and everything in between. Adams' writing style is characterized by his ability to seamlessly blend science fiction concepts with comedic elements, creating a humorous and often satirical commentary on the human condition, society, and the mysteries of the universe.